You're live.
Hi guys, Lori here. How is everybody? So today I'm going to do something a little different. I have a 11, what is this?
7 by 11.
7 by 11? No. 10 by 11? Shit, I don't know.
7 by 11.
7-Eleven?
7-Eleven.
We don't know what size this is.
When you run out 2 white hen.
Oh, that's old. Okay. All right, so anywho's.
There's a measurator around here. Y'all will measure that?
They have to bear through this. 25 by 20
centimeters.
Oh.
What's the other one? 8 by 11.
By 10. 8 by 10.
8 by 10.
8 by 10. All right, so let's get down to it. I'm not going to hold you up anymore. We've been fooling around already too much. So let's get going.
Maybe not enough.
Maybe not enough. Make somebody laugh today. Okay, so we've got Glidden Essentials house paint. So I'm going to use this as my base today. I'm just going to pull it out to the side. Make sure you get your edges. A lot of it will fall over, but we will fix it later if we don't even need to fix it. We'll just do a little light coat with your finger. Okay. Let me spin this out so I can thin up the paint a little bit. And we will avoid cracking. Okay, that should be okay. So I'm going to start out Garnet by DecoArt. I've been really loving all the DecoArt product lately, especially those in the little pots, the metallics. Breath of fresh air. Because they're just stinking beautiful. They are. That was 24 karat gold. This is copper. This is not DecoArt.
Artist Loft?
Yeah. Is it Artist Loft? Yeah. Okay, my bad. It's Artist Loft copper. Metallics. This is Sapphire DecoArt. This is fun to mix.
Sometimes there's something oddly satisfying about it.
And I went to Michael's a couple weeks ago and I bought all the rest of the colors they supplied that I didn't have at Michael's. And this is another DecoArt. This is DecoArt Seafoam. I'll do this one too. Oh, folk art. This is folk art. I don't know. There's something about this product that I love the smell of. Oh, man. You know, it does not smell like flowers or candy or chocolate, but this one is, I don't know what it is about this product. I just love it. But this is DecoArt Silver Extreme Glitter. Okay, so I have just a little bit of the
ultramarine blue.
Someone had helped me with that one. Okay, let me fix my little boo-boos over here. Okay. And as you can see, I have a little bit of drips here, but this is all going to be in the composition, and it doesn't matter because it's close to the actual paint itself. So, it doesn't matter. And I have a bubble here still. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. So, guys, what do you think? I'm just going to fix, because you know what? This dries and you don't want any holes. I call them holes, but it's actually just open canvases where the paint didn't touch. That's okay. You just fix it. Painting, you can fix anything. All right, I'm done playing. If you like our videos, make sure you like and subscribe. We're getting to something very important to me and Larry's life coming up next month in July. Make sure you hit the notification button so you can find out the juice, the tea. So, with that, thank you all for being here. I appreciate every one of you. And thank you for your comments, your wonderful support. Have a wonderful day. Bye.